on the Chevrolet. Anyway, yeah, they got RTV silicone down there on that terminal. However, something I noticed, these are two different types of bulbs. This is from the driver's side, the good side over there. This is from the passenger side. And I get it using that RTV silicone sealant stuff. Yeah, it helps doing some of this aftermarket stuff. And that connector's not pushed in. Yeah, that connector's not pushed in. Let me repair that. I'll show you. Where are we at? Right here's one. See, that connector's down in there on this one. It's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be like that, except for pushed farther down in. But I'm gonna swap bulbs first and see if there's a difference, because I think this one is not as bright as what that one is. Yeah, I might end up getting another one of those, or just a new set to start out new. Maybe, I don't know. Alright, I got them swapped around and that bad boy's on, but nothing like that one. So yeah, I'm gonna suggest get that same type and or just a set. That would be best. That's best suggestion. Just get a set, start from new. Back to this one. That's the difference that quality parts make, and as well as not charging the customer for quality parts and using one bullshit part and one good one.